Hello, today we will guide you through how to easily set up Gmail and Outlook 365 using Imap or Pop3. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the setup process in a simple and clear way so you can connect your Gmail account to Outlook 365 without confusion. As you follow along, take your time with each screen and make sure each change is fully saved before moving on. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is launched, let the main window load completely so all menu options are visible. This is where you'll manage your email account settings and begin preparing Outlook to work with your Gmail account. Next, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Settings. This is the area where Outlook stores configuration options for your account and mail behavior. If you don't immediately see the option, pause for a moment and make sure Outlook has finished loading. Opening Settings is the first step toward adjusting the mail connection properly. After that, click on Mail. This section contains the key options related to how Outlook sends, receives, and organizes your messages. Since Gmail needs the correct mail access settings in place, this is the section you'll want to focus on. Opening the mail settings helps ensure you're in the right place before making any changes. From there, click on Forwarding. This area includes options related to how mail can be routed or accessed, and it's an important part of preparing the account connection. Move carefully here because this is where many people accidentally skip an option that affects whether mail flows correctly into Outlook. Once you're in the forwarding section, turn on forwarding. Enabling this option allows Outlook and Gmail to work together more smoothly during setup. Depending on your version of the interface, the option may appear as a toggle, checkbox, or button. Make sure it is clearly switched on before continuing. If the setting changes visually, that's a good sign it has been enabled successfully. Finally, click Save. This last step is essential because if you leave the page without saving, your changes may not be applied. After saving, give the system a few seconds to process the update. It's always a good idea to double check that the setting remains enabled after the page refreshes or updates. That's it. You've now gone through the settings needed to begin setting up Gmail and Outlook 365 using Imap or Pop3. If anything doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, don't worry. Menu layouts can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, but the overall process stays very similar.